Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tom Ford model TF5323 in color code 048. It's a matte brown color frame. On the temples here we have a bronze Tom Ford logo. So over here. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple. The lenses are demo lenses with a Tom Ford logo stamped. These are RXable, and the style of the frame is full rim square. Up here we have a Tom Ford gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.